Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change Facebook Messenger ringtone. So you have to just simply go to the on your Messenger and you simply just go to three horizontal lines of the top left corner and go to the circle of settings, and you have to scroll down to find notification and sounds. So you have to click to notifications and sounds and turn it on. When you turn it on, you have to able to see the options of ringtones. So you have to scroll down and you have to click to advanced settings. So you have clicked to advanced settings, there are no, so you have to additional settings. So in additional settings you have to find ringtone, so you have to click to ringtone. So you will customize for set. You can choose of your choice, so will be there. You can set the ringtone or messenger notifications and incoming calls. So it's very simple, you have to follow the steps to complete this. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.